Good morning, guys. Give you an update of how it's looking. Apartment building in the making. They're preparing to cast up there. Cast the floor. I don't even know if I was saying the right thing. Ah. This is from the back. Well, I got my rice bubbling away here. This is some chicken, my seasoning. I'm about to cook some okra with chicken. Let we start. Gonna add my oil into the pot to fry up the chicken. You don't know when you're cooking okra. You have to put a little bit more tooks oil, right? So we're frying up this chicken here. So I have to go to work, but I'm still doing a quick video of lunch. So I'm gonna go and add some salt here. Just a pinch of salt to give the chicken some taste. I did not use all of this salt. As you can see, I put back some black pepper. Let it fry up a bit more, and then I'm gonna take it out and fry up my first seasoning. Now going with my onion, saute, let it fry up a bit. So normally when we cook okra, you know, you like it with a little dal. When you cook kalu, you like it with a little dal. Yeah, when you say I gotta go to work, I don't like it with no dal. I just go over the item shop and buy my little dal here. So I'm adding in my garlic and pepper here. Yeah, I just buy my little dal when I go over there. I will now add in some shallots and celery. Disclaimer: everybody cooks differently, okay? What you guys should know, I'm no chef. I cook the way how my husband likes his food. That's the way how I cook. And no, I do not know to cook everything. It's a learning process for me still. But I cook the way how he likes it. So if you guys see I cook something and you guys do it a different way, feel free to tell me how you guys do it so I could try it that way as well. So I will now add my cube along with some adobo seasoning. And some black pepper. With some all-purpose seasoning. So I am fully aware that some people don't add all these seasoning to their okra. They wait till to the end and they add their seasoning or their salt to taste based based on the fact that they don't want it to slime. Some people also do not cover the pot. However, it's different for me. I discovered the pot and I let it steam a bit and cook through, and my okra don't slime. I don't know if it's because when I finish cutting it up, I would cover it with a hand towel and leave it overnight. So I want to feel the hand towel pull up all the moisture from the okra. Some people would throw a lot of oil because they're frying it up, but I'm gonna work with this. We don't cook with enough oil, and I even think that the oil that I'm cooking with right now, it's a bit much, but yeah, look, mommy come. She tasting the food.
Rice, proper thing, dal, rice and okra with chicken. I like in my hand, but no, I can't. But it really tastes good.
I didn't make the dal. She buy the dal from the idol shop.
But the okra, proper thing, nice, delicious.
Alright.
Guys, I wish if you could eat some of this and you know how it tastes. Very nice.
And here now, look who we got in the car in there. Look.
You want to know the
PC. And yeah, look what I do. Oh, you want to feature some?
She eats some and she come back again because she said it's nice.
How it taste, Ellie?
How it tastes?
Thumbs up.
Okay.
Alright, let me show you what I doing. Sleeping. Dada. And you watching Dada too? Hey guys, good evening. It's dinner time and I'm gonna make some roti and Balanjay Choka. So watch me whip up this quick roti here. So I just added some baking powder into my flour. I just add some oil and I'm gonna mix it in. I make my roti different. Yes, I add oil to my flour. Then I'm gonna mix it in. Also, when oiling the roti, I don't only use oil, I mix the oil with butter to give that roti a nice flavor. If you've never tried it that way, you should. So this is my Balanjay here. It's a bit small, but don't worry, we could work with it. I'm now putting my garlic in the Balanjay here. Then I'm gonna go and roast it. So sometimes I roast it with the foil wrap on, and sometimes I just put it just on the stove. And today I'm feeling to put it just on the stove. Only the tomato I will wrap in foil. Yep, roasting time. Yes, I mix my butter with oil. So my dough has been resting for a while. I'm now gonna go and oil this out. So I did mention in my last video when I cook roti and Balanjay Choka that you don't necessarily have to get your roti wrong, which is truth. You don't necessarily have to get it wrong, but if you wanna try your best to get it wrong, feel free to do that. I have never tried my best to get it wrong. I just roll. I think in my next video maybe I'll put little time into that and try to get it wrong. But guess what? When you don't clap up this roti and it turns to a boss up shot, you wanna really see the wrongness, you know. But some people's roti don't really bust up like that, so there's just, you know. But yeah, some people want their roti to be wrong. For me, as long as the roti is soft and tasty, I'm okay with that. Because when people go and eat, ain't nobody looking at no wrongness. But that's just my preference, you know. Everybody have their different way of how they do things. But when I get the time, I'll try to make it wrong. But for now, this is how we doing it. So how y'all day going so far? I trust and hope that y'all had a wonderful day, a productive day. Yeah, get to accomplish everything you set out to do today and prepare for another day. So there are different ways to how you should fold your roti, but I fold it like this way because this is the way my mom taught me to do it, and I left doing it this way. Maybe next time I'll try it a different way, but this is the way how I always do it. See me? I just rolling away. I ain't looking at no wrongness, no shape, nothing. I just know when I reach a certain point, stop roll and put this thing on the towel. I have to mix some of this butter and oil together. I realize it's a little bit. But I prefer do it like this. I don't want to use too much and then it left back until the next time I make roti. It can die rancid. So I just throw it away. So before I waste stuff, it's better make it, you know, a small amount. Then I as a woman don't like waste things, you know. I don't. So I would try to, if I have to cook a small portion, I would try to do it as to don't, because we don't have pets. Meaning like we don't have dog and we don't have cat. We have birds. So here I am again. I'm gonna fold it just like how my mother taught me. My aunt, she just kinda gotta make it today like how she's do it. She's cut it down and then roll it around. Yeah, that's how my aunt makes it, but this is the way how my mother does make it. And this is the way I know to make it. So, you know, most people stick to what I know about. But I'm willing to try new things. I will try it a different way. Look, my little Balanjay, you know. We have to tell these Balanjay. The roast right through. I like this. I like when it roasts, you know. I know that it cooked good. Never mind, I've got to take out all them black thing. I could handle it. But one thing I don't like is like when you put on this Balanjay for roast and it roasts a little bit. And like to me I feel like it didn't cook right through. I don't know, this is just for me. I just wanna make sure it roasts good. Yeah, it's like how all the skin is fall off like this. Yeah, I know to myself, yeah, it roasts good. If it roasts like lightly, I'd feel like it raw when I eating it. I don't know. I guess it's something weird about me. Is that what you're doing? I start taking it out a little bit, a little bit. You know, a day I watched a video with some people from Trinidad. They were making Balanjay Choka. And I noticed they don't take out the black things. Even from the tomato. You know, I would take out the inside alone and throw away the rest, right? But I don't know if it's just this particular person do it this way and everybody else do it a different way. But I'm just saying what I saw, that they mix up everybody, you know, like if it got one two black thing, they don't mind. Yeah, but that's the thing, everybody cooks differently. Give that a key rug. Yeah, I left my little Balanjay alone. Look how much thing there ain't in here. You got this other way, you could just roast it while the skin's still soft, and you could just like um bust the bottom and just pull through the Balanjay and let it slip down. But again, I don't like it like that. I like it like this. Burn up. Oh, the outside of this Balanjay must have burn up. So here now I can go and take out you see all this little black thing that I here that I can take me time and make sure I take it out. Yeah, I see these people mix up everybody. You understand? They mix up everybody, and that's why I say, you know what? Everybody cooks differently. Everybody cooks the way how they. Most people cook the way how they grow up, seeing how their parents cook. Whereas some people end up cooking the way to how they pardon me like their food. Because you know, you're cooking for them, so you have to cook the way how they like. So that's just me thinking, you know what, everybody cooks differently. So yes, I prefer take me time and pick out each and every
Is who
one of
talking there?
these. I like it like that. Oh, you could leave in the comments how you would cook your Balanjay choke as well. If you do it like this. Some people also put it in the oven.
You see what
Yeah,
happened?
some
You see
people
what
put it
going
in the
on with
oven to
Mohammed
bake.
party?
So much different ways how you could cook this thing. One of the things I just remembered was when I was going to get admitted to get Zai. I told Junior to bring something for me to eat. Motherfucker was being Pacific. I said, please bring Balanjay Choka and Roti for me. So that was one. I like this thing about it, even like potato roti. So I'm now gonna take out the inside of this tomato here and put it in this Balanjay Choka. Here, oh god, this tomato hot. Try and leave it hot. I literally just take it off the stove. So you can make it with the tomato and without the tomato. The tomato, however, gives it a nice sourish taste. Yes, remember this is rose Balanjay. So the tomato just give it a nice flavor. If you don't need tomato, that's okay. You can make it without that. But omit it.
Okay. Okay, you're able with one, you're able two? Yeah, is that like Daddy Booty?
This tomato, it gives it a nice sourish taste. Remember, this is roast Balanjay and roast tomato. It gives it a nice flavor. So I'm gonna mix in this tomato in this Balanjay here, and then I'm gonna add in my shallot, my pepper, and mix it up, and then I'm gonna you could either fry it up in the oil in a pan, or you just hot the oil and just pour it over the Balanjay. However, my husband don't like cedo. He's prefer you put the pan on the stove and fry it up. So this is why this is. Oh, did I mention onions? Yeah, I've also put onions in this. So this mom went and buy some yellow board pepper. Tastes proper. So this is what we're going to now put in this Balanjay Choka. Let me tell you something. He don't really like pepper, but he take a woman that love pepper. How really this thing working out? You understand? But he's eating Balanjay Choka and don't say nothing. So I said okay. But a day I did cook it with enough pepper. And he was like, I don't understand how somebody could enjoy something with burning up the mouth like this. I don't know, I just like pepper. Well, now that I'm done adding everything here, I'm gonna mix this up and then I'm gonna go and fry it up on the stove. So when I finish with that, roll off these roti here, because guess what? People getting hungry, and the smell of this Balanjay Choka alone got your lele water tripping. That's the old Guyanese thing. That basically means drooling.
Tasha, you wife still got your face up. You ready for your food? Look.
Guys, this is my Balanjay Choka and roti. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, tonight I have made Balanjay Choka and roti, right? So as don't get to taste whenever I make anything, as don't get to taste it on live. What am I saying? Whenever I make anything, I don't get to taste it on camera. But I want to show you the roti. Real bust up shot. So I'm gonna taste my roti with the Balanjay and tell you how it tastes. Wow, the pepper. So I use burnt pepper. Also, I use a big tomato. So everything is delicious. It tastes on fleek. Let me tell you something. Balanjay Choka don't taste good without pepper. You got to have the pepper then. But this thing tastes proper. My husband, he don't eat, and he gone out on the road. But I now gonna eat. And this thing tastes good. I love Balanjay Choka and roti. Proper thing. guys, I'd like to tell you thank you for watching and subscribing. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Bye. I'm now going to finish off this with a nice hot cup of tea.